So this is your basic hardware overview of your Sun Guardian shade with chain, with fascia install. You have your Sun Guardian shade itself. You have your fascia. You have your fascia brackets, your provided hardware screws, your stop balls, your P-clip, and your clutch. So you want to first start with installing your clutch on your clutch end. Just like so, slide it in. And then you want to take your clutch end bracket, which has the tab sticking out that inserts into the middle of your clutch. Just grab it, insert it like so. And if you come down to your idler end, you do the same thing. Your next step is going to be checking your overall measurement for your mounting surface. So you start on one bracket, take your tape measure all the way down to the next one, get your measurement, and now you're ready to install your brackets. So now you grab your bracket on your mounting surface and a pencil, and go ahead and give yourself a mark for your pre-drill holes. And after you've got those marked, go ahead and drill. And now that you got your pre-drill holes, you can go ahead and bring your bracket up to your mounting surface and go ahead and attach it with the hardware provided. Just like so. Then grabbing your level before you attach your bottom screw, make sure that you're nice and level to your left and right, which we are on this. So you go ahead and grab your second hardware. Go ahead and attach. Double check that it's nice and sturdy. And now that you have your first bracket attached, you want to take a tape measure and a pencil for your overall measurement. Bringing it over to where you're going to be installing, and give yourself a mark, and you know that mark that you make is where the outside of your fascia brackets need to install. So make just a little mark right there. All right, and you want to start with your clutch end first, install it into the tab, making sure that's nice and flush. And now that you have your clutch side in, next side is going to be your idler, and the objective of this is to get this arm into this locking mechanism on your bracket. So go ahead and just bring it up in your bracket towards the middle, set it down in there, then with your finger grab your locking arm, lock it into place, double checking that your shade is nice and sturdy. And now we're going to go ahead and install the fascia. You want to start sliding it up on your bracket on your corner, and go ahead and hanging it on your second bracket up top. And to lock your fascia into place, push it towards your bracket and listen for the click, and it's now locked in place. And repeating the same process on your opposite side. For your fascia, push it towards your bracket and listen for the click, and your fascia is now locked in place. And now to install your stop ball, what you want to do is find a good position of your shade that you'd like to see. So we'll say right there. And then grabbing the closest ball down, grab it, count 2 balls up, and install your stop ball, like so. That way when it goes up, it'll stop all on its own, right there. And to do your bottom limit stop ball, you'll repeat the same process. So go ahead and bring your shade down, grabbing the nearest stop ball to you, bringing your shade up, counting 2 balls up, installing your stop. Make sure you like the way it stops. And you're now installed your stop balls. And now to install your P-clip, what you want to do, go ahead and slide your chain in there. Grabbing a pencil, you want to make yourself a mark for a pre-hole drill. You don't want to put too much tension on it. That's going to be too much. You want a little bit of leeway. So about right there. So you have plenty of play back and forth. Give yourself a mark with your pencil. And of course, grabbing your drill. Pre-drill your hole. Like so. And then with the hardware that's provided, go ahead and screw it into place. Just like that. And making sure that it runs freely through your P-clip. Like so. You don't want to have any issues at all with it. And that's how you install your P-clip.